Uxbridge is known for its charming rural atmosphere, and Quaker Village here in the heart of Uxbridge is the epitome of Uxbridge living. The homes here sit on wider lots. They capture the feel of Uxbridge history with the modern conveniences needed by today's families. The extra space that you have here in Uxbridge is perfect for those wanting a private, more quiet lifestyle. Come on, let's go take a look. Walk in off the expansive front porch and be greeted by a large living room, a formal dining room, and an eat-in kitchen that overlooks the family room with a fireplace. You'll love the convenience of this home with main floor laundry that has direct access to the double-car garage. Upstairs, find 3 generously sized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. There's a fully finished basement with a separate room that can be used as a bedroom or an office. It's got a large rec room with built-in shelving and ample storage space. The view from the back of this home is beautiful. The backyard has extensive decking, a beautiful pond in the summer, and a very large shed that's perfect for storage or potting plants and vegetables. Carmody Lane could not be more perfectly situated, backing to beautiful Quaker Common Park. You've got walking trails, a pond, and down that path there are 2 elementary schools, a public and a Catholic. There's playgrounds, there's baseball diamonds, and around the corner there's the recreation center with the arena. You're gonna love it here. With a population of about 22,000 people, the town of Uxbridge is large enough to have all the amenities you need: shopping, restaurants, and great schools. But if you want to leave, it's an hour drive to downtown Toronto, or a 20-minute drive to Stouffville, and a 25-minute drive south to Pickering.